Welcome to POSable. In this video, we will explain the POSable back-office feature, messaging and notifications. The POSable back-office features an integrated notification system designed to facilitate seamless communication between back-office administrators and managers and the staff utilizing the POSable front-of-house app. This functionality is instrumental in maintaining effective contact with personnel on the shop floor without necessitating physical presence. Notifications can be used to convey a variety of updates, including, but not limited to, addition of new products to the system, availability of seasonal categories and products such as Christmas items, price adjustments for specific products, creation of new customer loyalty, offers or promotions. Once sent, these messages will be displayed on the shop floor devices until they are dismissed by the individual staff member. Additionally, the POSable app supports manual synchronization with updated data. This notification system can be employed to prompt staff to synchronize their devices, ensuring they receive real-time updates. To send a notification, navigate to the Push Notifications menu link within the back-office interface. Complete the provided form with your desired message content, then click Send Notification. The message will be dispatched immediately to all relevant devices. The system maintains a record of previously sent notifications, allowing administrators to review past messages efficiently. This feature facilitates quick management by providing immediate access to notification history without the risk of duplication. Administrators can verify which messages have already been dispatched, ensuring clarity and streamlined communication within the team. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.